Alright, so we are going to dive into some square layering for this model here. As you can see, his hair has gotten to be a little bit out of control. The very first thing I'm doing here is just going through and removing a lot of the weight, a lot of the length with my fingers right now. We are not going to take this haircut clipper tight, so we're going to just basically do it all through pretty much my hands. Now I will use the trimmers to clean the neckline, the sideburn around the ear, but we're actually not going to work and use the clippers up the side of the head or up the back of the head. So right now I'm just going through and removing a ton of the bulk. I will be removing the bulk all along the left side, the right side, and the back first, and then once I've completed that, then I will address the top. So as you can see, I'm just going through, holding the hair in my fingers, taking sections. Basically the sections I'm taking are up and down sections, working my way from the top down to the bottom. So on the sides, I'm working from the temple area down to the side of the face, and then in the back, I'm working from the crown area down to the neck. Alright, so as you can see, I've pretty much completed the right side. Now I'm on the back, just basically, again, holding the hair through my fingers and just removing a ton of that bulk. Again, it's important to note that I sectioned off the top. I'm not cutting the top yet. I'm going to save that for last. So you can see the top is sectioned away, pushed off to the left side. When I get to the left side, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to section off the top and push it over to the right side so I don't accidentally cut it. Alright, so as you can see, I now have the trimmers in my hand, and I'm just going to take the trimmers and work my way around the outline right now. I'm just cleaning up the outline in the back, just basically cleaning up the neck hair, and then I will use the trimmers to work my way around the ear as well. Alright, so now that I've completed the right side, you can see I'm combing the top over and blending the right side with the top. I don't really like when the hair hangs over a particular side. I personally like the hair to blend so that if your model or your client swoops their hair from one side to the other side, it just blends and flows perfectly. You don't have an overhang dangling off of one side of the head or the back of the head or whatever. Alright, so here I just got done cutting the bangs, and now I'm cutting and layering those bangs. So I cut the bangs just because we wanted to leave the top a little bit longer, but we also don't want the hair to fall in his face in the event the wind blows or he goes to the swimming pool. We just don't want that hair falling down past his eyes. And then I like to go through and layer the bangs so that they're a little bit lighter. Now, I'm going through and cutting the length on the top. We're going to be styling his hair more like a brushback with the versatility to be able to wear with texture and dress the hair up if he chooses to. So he can either wear it with texture, kind of, texture it up, or he could brush it back. So by going through layering the top, it just lightens the top. By layering the bangs, it lightens the bangs. It gives my model that versatility. So we've come to the end of this square layered haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.